too.
I feel like you have some pretty good crack for being in a neighborhood. It's not so neighborhoody. You know what I mean?
Exactly. Oh, you got character within the houses too.
Granted.
Yep.
See, this is a step in the right direction for me.
Right.
The cabinets
Yeah.
could be updated, but I could do that.
Yeah.
The hardware.
And even like just like refinishing or painting them like goes
paint them,
a
like,
long
white or
ways.
something, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you get a full-size fridge in this one.
Yep.
Yeah, that other house was pretty small.
Yeah.
Oh, a little dining room.
Entry.
So like, I feel like I would just make this my office.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Yep. It's a big living room.
Yeah. I like the vaulted ceilings too. I mean, that's.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice until it's like summertime, and then it's like, does it get hot as frick right here? You know what I mean?
Yeah, I
Like,
mean,
maybe not.
the roof really didn't look too bad when we were walking in. They got it listed on the seller's disclosure as 24 years old. So.
Yeah.
Nice linen closet. They're organized people. We should aspire to be more like this.
Yeah.
Our closets look like a damn nightmare.
Well,
They
they're
probably
they're
did
showing
that
out.
because
Really,
their house
nigga?
is for sale.
It's exactly, yes. People don't live like this clean.
Okay,
every day.
but I can't work out at home.
Yeah, it's nice.
I'd say she had a request for it because they don't.
So you got a bathroom here.
Yeah. So they have
Another bedroom.
like side to side splits. This is like a nice layout.
And this would be like the master bedroom. Closet. Master bathroom. And this is like a weird kind of room. Yeah, another bedroom. Closets. Then you got this huge room just in the back. I think this is an add-on. And that's what we really came for right there. Decent sized backyard. So we can make this a closet. Like a huge walk-in closet. And make this a master bedroom. Then it has like an outside door leading the stairs to the backyard. Nice little deck. So a few possibilities. It's kind of weird having a door in your master, but that could also be an office. Let's see what else they got. So going downstairs.
This is probably my favorite part of the house so far. Other than the porch. This is super nice.
Yeah.
I would spend all my time down here.
It smells like baby powder.
Oh boy, y'all rather piss off that crew than piss off powder. Oh, it's funny. Keep on laughing. Bring your face over here.
Where's the baby powder? Where's the baby powder?
It smells like an air freshener. The thing it doesn't smell like is like smoke or old people, so I'm pretty
Okay.
happy
Well,
with
where's washer and dryer then?
that. In this over there.
It's
Look
nice
at
little.
this nice setup.
Yeah.
Like, we would have to do something like this. This is mounted to the wall, so do they sell it with that, or do you take that with them?
Let's see. It's usually in the last page. Let's see here.
Got a
Talk
bathroom
about
down here
nice
too.
I literally would not leave this area down here.
Yeah, this is nice.
Full bathroom down here.
Yep.
He's not staying.
Well, I don't know where they got it, but we could find something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's pretty slick though. I like how it's bolted like that.
That's a big closet. Nice storage. Oh, they got DVDs in there.
I'm
Pinball machine.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm kind of loving it.
It's. I mean,
I think it's overpriced.
Oh wow.
But
I
I
do
want to
too.
see. Oh shit.
And I was kind of looking at comps too, especially because that one sold, that new build right up there sold for 320.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, there it is. Okay.
Honey, half bath in there. Toilet.
Oh yeah, it's a man's bathroom.
I'll never go in there. Say that much.
Nope.
Unless I'm at her, drinking with my best friend on the porch, and we just have to go potty really quick.
Dude, this is pretty sweet, man.
This is fucking bomb.
Yeah.
He's a Mustang fan, tell you that. Where's the
Cool.
light?
Honey, did you see the Mustang? He's got a Cobra in there.
Well, he has a Cobra clock too.
What's that?
Got the Lambo.
Light that doesn't work?
Yeah.
No bulb in it?
That's a really tiny bathroom. That's cool.
Well, who expects a bathroom in there?
I mean, I can't even sit in there.
Well, you're not going in there to go number 2. That's a number 1 only bathroom.
Yeah, this is cool.
It's a nice Mustang. Now we got like a furnace, little heater there too.
So basically, that then opens.
Snap on. House of Boost. Engine crane, heater. Really nice Mustang. Oh, he got a compressor in here too, somewhere. Pretty big garage. Really big garage, actually. So the only reason I like this garage is you got a door in the back, double doors in the front, easily fit 2 cars in here, maybe another one in that section over there, then another one in the back. Plus that door opens, so let's check it out. I also noticed he has an airline over here too. So he has one here, one right there. I believe that's it. So we check it outside. Nice size backyard. Nice deck. Garage door directly into like a double garage. So there's the house. You can fit more cars in the back here if you wanted to. So like at least 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 in there, 2 out here, 2 more in here. Is he taking a lift?
Yeah, I already asked
She
that.
just, yeah, it wasn't on the seller's disclosure, so I'll give the agent a call once we're done and see. But
I would assume so, but
I don't know, since it's bolted down. I don't know.
I mean, if he's a car guy, he'd probably take it though.
Yeah.
He probably painted in here too. See, I was talking about the other place with the lights on the wall.
Yeah, gotcha.
And then he has the airline over there in the corner.
Yeah.
you see this little garage has a little attic fan, honey?
Oh, that's cool. You see, right here?
Gotcha.
Yeah. Then he's 220. There's an air compressor somewhere.
It's back there. You see that big old red thing?
Really, nigga?
Well, it's
One
going.
in the garage as well.
Yeah, there's lines in the garage too.
Oh.
So I don't know if he's using the same one. But this one's probably for the lift. That one there. Yeah, he has two of them. Two 220s. Two heaters.
I don't know, I would never be out here, so this wouldn't be my.
Yeah.
We still have a garage spot.
I don't know. I'm thinking about it. I don't think I would. He'd have to put all of the old cars in. He wouldn't even have a garage spot. We'd have to both park our trucks outside. That's how many cars we have.
How many do you have?
We have 7 cars.
You want one? You can have the old truck.
What?
It's your truck.
As far as convenience, like you're close to the highway, but you're not on the highway. So
Yeah.
if you got to get downtown or you need to go out south, like you're there. In
You just
20
take
minutes.
35, right?
Right.
So like at least this one, the house is like not 1,200 square feet.
Right.
This house is big.
Right. I mean, and you can just tell it's been well maintained. I mean,
Yeah.
even though the furnace and the AC is old, they are older. I mean, it looks like they keep up on the shit
Yeah.
for sure.
I also notice he has 2 more airlines over here.
What's up there? Let's just see. So we have a,
Sounds old, yeah. Yeah, usually they're about 30-year life expectancies for a timberline unit like this. Like I said, I feel like if the roof was brand new, they had a new furnace, new AC, they could get, I mean, close to it. Ideally, I wanted to lease, but I would have had to pay more because of my mileage. I drove last year.
So as you can see, like, you can drive through the front of the house all the way to the back to the shop, which is like really convenient for me.
yeah.
So now, that's really nice. So let me know in the comments, should I get this house or the first one? Because this one would actually work too, just that I won't have all the acres of land and I won't have the huge shop, but I could do everything between the smaller 2-door shop and this one here, the massive garage. So, and this is about 25,000 less than the other one, but it's a way bigger house. Has a lot more possibilities. It's a big house. So let me know which one you like. You like the first one with the small house, or basically like a 5-car garage house? Than the other one. Anyway, it's your boy Loco. As always, remember to like, comment, definitely subscribe, share if you want. Peace.